house so I can catch them. Oh, scraps from Auntie Jenny. Will they go in there? Oh, why do they want to go up that way for? If they went in their house, we can catch them.
I obviously know that story.
And the rest are over there.
Yeah, I know.
How?
Around it. Stay up. Come on. Settle down. Come on.
Go right in the cabin.
Stop it. You worry about your food.
They really squeal, don't they?
That's a boy. Hold him. That's a boy. That's what I'm meant to be doing every night, trying to get them like that up, boys. Yeah. They start scratching them, they start to go to sleep. Oh, nice thing, got thin here. Come on. The rest take it off. They don't know what's going on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Where are the rest of them?
That one's there.
You don't want the mums to come and attack her.
Well, this is her first lot of babies, so I don't know how kind she is going to let me hang on to them, see?
Yeah, because you might get that.
As soon as the food's over, she'll have a go at you.
Well, this is what I'm hoping that she'll let them.